How to switch to a business account on TikTok. If you want your profile to be business-oriented, whether for work or any other reason, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to switch your private profile to a business one. Let's get started. First, open TikTok on your phone. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon here. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on the Settings and Privacy option. You adjust your profile type in the Account section. Click on Account. After that, press Switch to Business Account. Here, TikTok welcomes you and informs you that with a business profile, you'll get numerous business features. Press the Next button. Then you'll see all the options you have with a business account. Click Next to continue. Finally, it will ask you to select the category that best describes your account. Note that the category won't be displayed publicly. Select the category you belong to and click Next. If you want, you can add your email address to connect with your customers directly. I'll skip this and press Skip. Additionally, you can add a bio so your potential customers and followers know more about your business. The bio can contain up to 80 characters. If you're entering a bio, click Confirm. I'll skip this too and click Skip. And your profile is complete. You can create a video right away if you wish by using the Create Now button. I'll leave that for later and click Maybe Later. And you're all set. As a business profile, you'll see changes in the middle section. There are new features available only for business profiles. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel.